You've built a beautiful app in Lovable, but where does the data go? Lovable Cloud is great for testing, but if you want real users and secure data, you need Supabase. And today I'm showing you the one-click method to link your database and auth in under 2 minutes. Let's turn your front end into a full-stack powerhouse. Okay, and inside your Lovable editor, you need to click on the Integrations tab. So for that, you go All Projects, choose a project. After that, you go here on the drop-down, and then we have connectors. So they are either called connectors or integrations. And in here, you need to find Supabase, which is right here. As you can see in my case, it's already enabled. And then just click Connect. The shortcut for this here, you don't need to hunt for keys. Lovable will open a pop-up, just select your Supabase project and hit Allow. Once connected, give Lovable a prompt like create a tasks table in Supabase and sync my front-end components to it. Lovable will automatically generate the SQL and execute it in your Supabase backend for you. And now for the users. So prompt Lovable to. So you go into the AI input field and press this command. It will build the forms and the logic instantly. And to speed up your recording and testing, go to your Supabase dashboard, auth, and then providers. And then toggle the confirm email to off. This lets you test new accounts with fake emails instantly without waiting for verification links. And then just refresh your app, sign up as test user, and watch the data appear in your Supabase table in real time. If this dev tip helped you ship your app today, smash like and subscribe.